So this is the guessing the card location trick. Start off by having the person cut the deck of cards. And go ahead and take a look at that card you cut to. I won't look at it, you just look at it right there. Great. Go ahead and put it down on the deck right there. And we're going to lose your card into the deck so no one knows where it is. Now we're going to play a little game of estimation. Do you like estimation? Here, I'm going to pick up some cards like this out of the deck. Maybe that many. I want you to estimate how many cards you think is in this pack right here. And they say 18. I go, okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That's pretty close. Not quite on, but you did a good job. Now I'm actually very good at estimating. I estimated when you cut the deck first to pick your card. I estimated when I just cut the deck right there. And I keep track of that in my head. That's how I'm going to find your card. I'm going to estimate that your card is now exactly the 8th card in the deck. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wasn't looking at the camera, but I'm going to assume I just got that right. Now here's how the trick works. You've got the deck set up with some cards in order. So let me just reset it up and I'll show you. So we start the deck with all the diamonds, ace through king, in order. So ace is like number 1, and then we go 2 all the way through 10. Then we've got the jack, which is 11, the queen, which is 12, and the king, which is 13. We've got that on the bottom of the deck with the ace on this side, the very bottom. So that's the way I start the deck. Then they pick up about half the deck. I tell them to look at that card. So they pick up half, and I have them look on the card that's on the top of that bottom half. So right there, look at that card. Now I turn my head, and as I do, I pick up the pile that they pulled that card away from. They're going to put their card on the opposite pile in a minute. So they look at it, and I say, great. Go ahead and put your card right down there. I'm going to do that again, because it's important you get the piles right. So they pick up the pile. You have them look at this card, and then you have it put them back over on that pile. You put that on top. You square them up so they're all lost in there. Now you're going to pick up some cards. You're going to pick up about a quarter of the deck. Right about there. The important part is here, somewhere in the middle quarter of the deck, right in there, you've got all the diamonds that you just laid out. So you're going to pick up maybe about 20 cards. Right there, see I cut to a diamond. That's good. Now if you do this whole thing and you realize you don't cut to a diamond because you're going to peek at it, you'll do the bit again just for practice, you say. But let's say I cut to a diamond. Right there I cut to a diamond. I'm not going to look at it this time. What I do first is I just say, okay, I'm going to estimate. We're going to estimate. Pick up some cards. How many cards do you think I have? And you count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. If they get it right, great. You congratulate them. If not, you say you were pretty close. Now I'm going to put this pile on the bottom of the deck, but as I do, I turn it over in my hands. When I do that, I'm able to just glimpse what the bottom card is there. I just glimpse down at it real fast, just casually. Now I see that's the queen of diamonds. That's 12. I'm going to put this in the bottom, and my number that I'm going to say is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's the ace of spades we picked.